Welcome back, children. We are learning about conjunctions. Read these sentences. Let's know about some more conjunction and their uses. I am staying at home because it is raining. Because here shows for the reason that I am staying home. This is the reason that I am staying home, that it is raining. Before you go, sign the register. Earlier than the time that. Before means earlier than the fixed time. Although it was raining, I went out for a swim. Although here shows in spite of the fact that. इसके बावजूद. Although it was raining, I went out for a swim. I'll wait outside while you lock the door. While means during the time. During the time you lock the door, I'll wait outside. Alright, children. Call me when you reach the clock tower. When means at that time. Okay, when you reach the clock tower, you call me. Can you call me after you have reached home? After here shows subsequently to the time when. Okay, you have to decide whether you should study in this school or that. Whether shows choosing one or the other, this school or that school. Do you know where mom hid the cake? In the place. Where means in the place. At which place where mom hid the cake. You will not pass unless you study hard. Unless shows here on the condition that. If you finish your homework, we can go for a swim. If here shows in the event that. If means in case. If you finish your homework, we can go for a swim. I have lived in this city since I was 5. From the time when. Since means but 5 years ka tha tab se. Can you explain how you did this? How? The way in which. Kaise? I want to do hotel management in order that I can become a chef. In order that I can means so that I can become a chef. The puppy follows me wherever I go. Wherever shows here any place. Call me in case you have any problem. On the condition that. In case means on the condition that you have any problem, you call me. So children, these highlighted words are conjunctions and in the bracket their uses are given. Alright. Now these highlighted words are also conjunctions. They help us to join sentences. Now choose the correct option to complete each sentence. When the doorbell rang, Snowy barked. Okay. Before he leaves, ask him to meet me. Number 3. While we were at the restaurant, it rained. I am not sure whether I should go to Paris or to Greece. Since he came from school, he has been sleeping. Number 6. They stopped playing because it started raining. Maushmi is thin, although she does not work out. We are going to lose this match unless a miracle saves us. Rest of the exercises we'll do in the class, children. That's all for this video. Thank you.